Hey guys, how's it going? And I'm back. So today I'm going to do a review app that actually my favorite and using on the Glitché by iOS. So Glitché is a lo-fi modern photo glitch app. It costs $1. You can do some editing videos and photos, which is pretty unique. And I found really interesting trends. They had some many artists and celebrities, especially for this one, like Kylie Jenner loves Glitché App for real.
Another app that I love is called GLITCHE. It's really fun and it adds some flavor to your photo. Oh, see? I just glitched it. I'm so good at this.
You can also sharing any social media like Twitter and Instagram. What makes your being a professional video editor for some amazing real-time filters with a bunch of VHS aesthetics, visual effects, and very psychedelic images. That is brilliant. The thing is, why do I purchase only one time for $40 on the pro version of Glitché, whether you can or you cannot? There's a difference. You can only purchase for $4 in 1 month, and even a $167 in 1 year to save maybe like 50-80% discount with a total $20, I guess. Then you can make some music videos, album covers, and also artistic selfies, but normally just use on Glitché app. If you don't want to purchase, it's all good. You can editing some glitch photos anytime. So anyways, hope you enjoyed my video. What do you guys think about Glitché app? Just leave a comment down below and thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon. Have a great day. Peace out and stay awesome. I'll put the link in the description down below if you want to see more reviews and tutorials on iOS. Go check that out on playlist.